everybody, it's Ashley with you for this week's Ink to Paper Saturday Showcase feature, and I'm going to be showcasing a card and a coordinating gift card holder using It's a Sign Love and Kindness stamp set and coordinating die collection. And this is a great time for that because this is a great season to be sharing our love and gratitude and thoughts of kindness with others. So I thought it was a great time, and I definitely had a reason to make a card and a gift card holder for people who have been nice and giving and thoughtful and kind to us. So join me as I share It's a Sign Love and Kindness stamp set coordinating dies, and see my creative process as I create a card and a gift card holder for the family that has been so kind to us over the past few years, actually. So I hope you enjoyed this week's Saturday Showcase feature. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everybody, this is the It's a Sign Love and Kindness stamp set here. And it's comes on one 4x6 sheet with the carrier sheet attached, and it also comes in Ink to Paper's exclusive hold and fold storage case. You get two sentiments of the same sentiments, but two different formats. You have just the sentiment by itself that you can use, which I'll be showing how you can do on one version of my project in this video. And then you can get this version here that has like a birch background with the thank you for your love and kindness as a negative, as part of the sentiment, with a couple of flowers in a negative version as well. Then you get a large, medium, and small flower, a tiny flower, some inserts you can use to layer over top of each of these flowers, and you get 4 different sizes of the leaves as well. Okay, you also get this little part here that you can use as a string or hanging device that you would hang the sign on, and a little bit of a nail or some sort of holding device to actually hold the sign up. Separately, you can get the coordinating sentiments. You get the rectangle shape, the actual string type of die, the flowers, the layering, inserts, and the leaves. Okay, so I'm going to be making a card and a coordinating gift card holder to thank some friends of ours for inviting us over to their home, their lovely new home. They just purchased a new home and they invited us over for you know, for a little bit of a play day with Lauren, and then also for us to just fellowship and things like that. So, and have dinner with them. So I'm going to thank them. They've done this a few times, so I'm going to thank them for their love and kindness and give them a gift card for some place that they really enjoy. Okay. All right, so here's my die here, and so I have another one that I've already die cut because I'm going to be doing this 2 times, one for the card and then one for the gift card. Okay, so now I'm going to choose one of them, and I'm going to use this one for the gift card, and I'm going to use just this one for the card. So I'll have similar card designs but different variations of them. Okay. So I'm going to be using a stamp positioning tool just in case I need to make sure my inking needs to be redone a couple of times. I can do that. Okay, so I'm going to ink this one with fine linen ink. And I'm going to do just the single stamp, the sentiment by itself, on this piece here. And I'm going to stamp that in true black ink. Alright, so now that that part of my stamping is done, I can go ahead and start building my card. I want to have a little bit of a background on my, this is just an A2 white cardstock card front. And so I'm going to have my sign kind of front and center right here. But I also wanted to have a pattern in the back, so I'm going to take this Snowfall stamp set and use it kind of just like a polka dotted kind of background from Peaceful Forest. And I'm going to take Harvest Gold ink and add it to the top and the bottom of the card front, just to give it some polka dotted texture and background. Now That's how this card is starting to come together. All right, so I'm going to switch focus here to show you the gift card holder that I'm going to be using. This is the Tag Creations Modern Gift Card, and this is the die that I used from that particular die collection. And this is it cut out from Harvest Gold cardstock, and so I'm going to be using this side of it here to stamp on. So I'm just going to tuck this part in here, the little tab that closes it, because I just want this part to be stamped on. So I'm going to be doing the Harvest Gold. I'm going to do a tone on tone. Again, I'm going to use that same Snowfall, but I'm using it as more of a polka dotted pattern on the top and bottom of the gift card holder, just to carry on the same concept. Okay, so this little piece here, the rectangle, fits perfectly on this gift card holder here. I could stamp the little sign if I wanted to make it look like a sign, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to start building it with my flowers and making the pattern like that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for my card so you can see how that looks. But I did wanted to show you that Melissa Bickford has this entire collection of It's a Sign, and this comes from It's a Sign Beautiful, this particular frame. And I want to show sometimes you can interchange the different frames. So I'm going to die cut this from Harvest Gold cardstock to use as a frame so you can see how you can switch things out. Alright, so It's a Sign Beautiful comes with this very nice wood grain pattern. I could stamp on here if I chose to. I'm just going to leave mine plain and then use it as a frame for my sign. Okay, so that is what I'm going to be planning to do here, and then I'm going to be adding my floral die cuts. You can see here I already have an array of different leaves and flowers and various different colors that I plan to use on the actual card front. Put it right here in the center, and I'm going to do the same thing for the frame. So I'm just going to start adding and building flowers, little flower blooms here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other card. Just going to let it hang off a little bit there. Alright, I'm going to stop there and add some leaves to this one a little bit. So I'm going to add the smaller flower to the center of these on the gift card. And then I'm going to switch it up and take some stamps from It's a Sign Beautiful to use for the centers here. And I'll take Aqua Mist to stamp it on the center of the Aqua Mist flower for a little tone on tone. I'm just going to take a fine black marker and add some details myself to the center of the flowers. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of red and white baker's twine. See if I can double it up. Slide it up just a little bit more. So this modern gift card die comes with dies you can use to have flat, types of ribbon treatment, but I want it to have real twine. It's relatively flat. Now I'm ready to add it right to the center part. And now I have a little gift card holder that coordinates with the card. Thank you for your love and kindness, and a great way to share a little bit of kindness in the world, because we always could use a little bit more of that, right? Lots of love and lots of kindness. Very simple designs, but has very impactful messages nonetheless on each one. And can have my great little sentiment on the interior of my card, and then a little coordinating gift card to go with it. Alright everybody, that concludes this week's Saturday's Showcase featuring It's a Sign Love and Kindness Stamp Set and Coordinating Die Collection. I hope you enjoyed my creative process as I made a card and a gift card holder for the family that's been so loving and kind to us over the past few years. And I just hope that this act of kindness that I'm doing by making this handmade card and gift card holder and a little bit of gift just fosters our relationship a little bit more. And what a wonderful season to do that. So I hope you get some time to create some love and kindness for others who have been so generous and nice to you as well. So until next time, I'll see you guys next week. So bye. Have a great Saturday.